Welcome to Pebbles channel. Today we are going to begin by learning a new concept. We are going to learn les possessives, the possessive adjectives. Les possessives. So what do you mean by the possessive adjective? It is used to describe the possession of the noun. So we have different possessive adjectives for each of the subjects. So I'll now write down the subjects. So for je, the possessive adjectives are mon, ma and me. So these are the three possessive adjectives for je, mon, ma and me. Similarly for tu, ton, ta and te. For il and elle, can you guess what it was? So we have three for each, right? So you must have guessed. Mon is for a masculine noun, ma is for a feminine noun, and me is for a noun that is plural. So mon. For example, take the noun livre. Livre means book. So it is masculine. So if you want to say my book, you say mon livre. Mon livre. Take the example of the noun photo. It is feminine. So we say ma photo. My photo. Now all these three words mean my. My. Okay, this is for the masculine noun. This comes before the feminine noun. This comes before the plural noun. Similarly, tu. Tu is you. So all these words mean your. That is belonging to you. Ton. This is for a noun that is masculine. Ta is for a noun that is feminine. And te is for a noun that is plural. We take similar examples. Ton livre. Your book. Ta photo. Your photo. And if it is in the plural form, in case it is livre, you would say tes livres. Okay, so now we know the possessive adjective for je and tu. So are you ready to see the possessive adjective for the others? For both il and elle, it is son, sa, se. Now this depends upon the noun that is following it. So whether it is il or elle, if it is livre, you say son livre. Sa, it is sa photo. So you shouldn't get confused here. These three words depend on the noun that follows it, not on the subject. So it means his or hers. Next, nous. For nous, we have notre, and nos. So here, if you notice, whether the noun is masculine or feminine, the word is notre. Notre means us. Notre, notre, and no. No comes before a noun, that is in the plural form. Next, for vous, similarly, for masculine and feminine, we have the same possessive. It is votre. And vo for plural. Finally, for il and elle, it is le. For masculine and feminine, it is le. And for the plural, it is le. So these are the possessive adjectives. For je, it is mon, ma or me. For tu, ton, ta or te. For il or elle, it is son, sa, se. For nous, it is notre. Notre again for feminine also, and no. For vous, votre, votre, vos. For il and elle, it is le, and leur. So these are the possessive adjectives.